Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest video updates. The ketogenic diet has become quite popular recently. Studies have found that this very low-carb, high-fat diet is effective for weight loss, diabetes, and epilepsy. There's also early evidence to show that it may be beneficial for certain cancers, Alzheimer's disease, and other diseases as well. A ketogenic diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. While this may seem challenging, many nutritious foods can easily fit into this way of eating. Here are some foods which are great in the ketogenic diet. Number 1. Meat. Unprocessed meats are low-carb and keto-friendly and organic, and grass-fed meat is the most healthy of all. But remember, the keto is a high-fat diet, not high-protein, so you don't need huge amounts of meat. Excess protein is converted to glucose, making it harder to get into ketosis. A normal amount of meat is enough. Number 2. Fish and seafood. These are all good, excellent even, especially fatty fish like salmon. However, avoid breading as it contains carbs. If you can find wild-caught fish, that's the very best. Number 3. Natural fat, high-fat sauces. Most of the calories on a keto diet should come from fat. You'll likely get much of it from natural sources like meat, fish, eggs, and so on. But also use fat in cooking, like butter or coconut fat, and add plenty of olive oil to salads. You can also eat delicious high-fat sauces, including béarnaise sauce and so on, or garlic butter. Number 4. Vegetables growing above ground. Fresh or frozen, either is fine. Choose vegetables growing above ground, especially leafy and green items. Favorites include cauliflower, cabbage, avocado, broccoli, and zucchini. Vegetables are a great and tasty way to eat good fat on keto. Fry them in butter and pour plenty of olive oil on your salad. Number 5. High-fat dairy. The higher fat, the better. Butter is good, high-fat cheese is fine, and high-fat yogurts can be had in moderation. Heavy cream is good for cooking. Avoid drinking milk as the milk sugar quickly adds up, but you can always use it sparingly in your coffee. Number 6. Nuts. Nuts can be had in moderation, but be careful when using nuts as snacks, as it's very easy to eat far more than you need to feel satisfied. Also, be aware that cashews are relatively high carb. Choose macadamia or pecan nuts instead. Number 7. Water. Try to make this your drink of choice. Flavored or sparkling water is fine too. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new video updates.